So the first example that I want to talk about is the genetic adaptation which made us more efficient at digesting starch. Now in humans, the digestion of starch begins when we start chewing and with amylases in our saliva. Okay? And so it starts breaking down the starch, it goes down our esophagus, into our stomach, and then into the small intestine, where other amylases from the pancreas and other organs then take over to do the work. Now we typically carry 2 copies of every gene, so one from mom, one from dad, right? But we actually carry multiple copies of one of these amylases called AMY1, and this is the amylase that actually functions within the saliva. Anywhere from 2 to 30 copies. And the more copies of AMY1 we carry, the more effective we are at digesting starch. Now, if we actually look at modern hunter-gatherer societies, okay, who still eat really high protein but very, very little starch, they have fewer copies of AMY1 than a rice eater like me, okay? And if you actually look at primates who really only ever eat fruit and very little starch at all, they only ever have 2 copies of AMY1. So now humans have always eaten starch. It's just that we were never fully able to unlock all the energy that was in the starch. This is not a problem when starch was not the overwhelming source of calories of us, like it is today. So a genetic adaptation which increased our efficiency of digesting starch meant that we could get more calories from every single gram of starch. Put another way, we could actually eat less starch and actually gain the same number of calories. Hence, this adaptation to be more efficient at digesting starch was a huge selective advantage. It was incorporated into the gene pool, and all humans today can actually carry multiple copies of AMY1.